Welcome to this tutorial on how to send payments using Zelle transaction history. Zelle is a fast and secure way to send and receive money directly to and from your bank account. To get started, you will need to have Zelle set up through your bank or credit union's mobile app or website. First, open your bank or credit union's mobile app or website and navigate to the Zelle section. If you have not already enrolled in Zelle, you will need to do so by following the prompts to enter your email address or mobile number and debit card information. Once you are enrolled, you can view your Zelle transaction history by clicking on the Transaction History tab. This will show you a list of all the payments you have sent and received through Zelle, including the date, amount, and recipient or sender information. To send a new payment using Zelle, click on the Send Money tab and enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. You can also select a recipient from your existing Zelle transaction history by clicking on their name. Enter the amount you want to send and add a memo if you want to include a note with the payment. Next, review the payment details to make sure everything is correct, including the recipient's information, the amount, and any memo you added. If everything looks good, click Send to initiate the payment. The recipient will receive a notification that they have been sent money through Zelle and can then claim the payment by following the prompts. It's also a good idea to keep track of your Zelle transaction history to ensure that all payments are accurate and up to date. You can do this by regularly reviewing your transaction history and verifying that all payments have been sent and received correctly. Best practices for using Zelle include only sending money to people you know and trust, keeping your Zelle account information secure, and monitoring your account activity regularly. By following these best practices and using Zelle's transaction history feature, you can send payments quickly and securely and keep track of all your Zelle activity in one place.